Hindi natin kailangang maghintay na maging perpekto ang lahat at maging maayos bago tayo tumugon sa Panginoon. Ngayon pa lang ay tumugon na tayo sa Panginoon. Gawin po natin ang dapat at sa hiling po ng ating Panginoon ay magiging maayos ang lahat. Kapag tumugon po tayo sa Panginoon, God will bring the best in us. God will give us more blessings. We may not be perfect today, but God will continue to mold us and bring out the best in you. Thank you, Lord, sa lahat. Father said, take time. Take it slow. Don't rush. The word is so fast. They are telling you, pressuring you to bilisan mo, be fast. But you should take it slow. Take time. I-savor mo ang magagandang bagay, magagandang tanawin sa paligid mo. Take time. Huwag kang magmadali. Even if the world around you is pressuring you, walk with our God. They know Jesus well, but they didn't know Jesus deeply well. Minsan sa sobrang bias, inggit, at intimidation, hindi natin na-appreciate ang presence ni Jesus sa ating mga buhay. Let us appreciate the presence of Jesus in our lives. Let us appreciate the beauty of the heart of the people around us. Those who help us, those who love us, those who guide us and make ways for us to help us solve our worries, our problems. God will make